All right, so you need to go to the FAA login, and once you are there, you can go down to the bottom. You click on STEM. It says there's no courses because we're not logged in yet, so you need to go up here and log in. You can accept. I'll have to click on STEM again. If you go here to student, you can go to online courses. Once you are into the Blackboard, down here towards the bottom, it says STEM Airport Design Challenge 2021. You can click on it, and over here on the left-hand side, you click on Orientation, and the second one says Parental Consent Form. So if you go, you would download it here and open it up, print it, or put your signature on it if you have an online way of doing that. And then you're going to go here and go to upload, and you would browse my computer and upload your picture or your file. Once you hit submit, you are all done. Hope this helps.